Welcome back. Let's jump to our lesson. In the previous lesson, we learned about a string, but today we are going to learn about modifying them. You can uppercase your string. What uppercase means? It's a function for making your string, all of them upper. It's really easy. A dot upper. It's not important if you don't understand them now, but to tell you, it's make your text all bigger. And how we write it, we just write a dot, our string name dot, upper, and here. It's as easy as you can see. And we also can lower them. It make all of the string lowercase. We can use a strip. What does strip do? It remove all the spaces like that. Let me just paste it. We have no spaces, and we have many other things. Replace a string. You can replace them. Replace is a good function, but it have many problems. For example, it replace H with J, but if we have two H, what it do? It replace all of them. It don't work if we need to replace just one. It has some bad thing and some good thing. I think we can tell it to replace one, but I don't know how. But it has some problems like replacing all of the things. I don't use it. A split is one of the most useful function you learn, and I tell you why. Let's think, for example, you want to get input. Caps lock on input. For example, you want to get input, but in the input, the person give you her name, for example, Movika, her age 17, her weight 86, and then give it all to. If you print A, it store all of the things in one place, but you want to store it in three places. For example, you want to store it like name, age, and weight. How we can do that? Well, you maybe think we must create three inputs, but there is a better way. But just writing input dot split. Now run it. Name, for example, Lisa, age 23, weight 64, and then if we print name, it gives us Lisa, and if we print age, it gives us 23. And the split, when we don't write anything here, split by a space, but we can tell him just split by this. And then we must write name, for example, Kevin, and put this 15, put this 52. And then when we say age, it gave us 15. Okay, let's see how we can do this test. We get current to entering in uppercase. Welcome dot upper to upper, not upper just. Next question. Written the string without any white space. What is used for white space? I told you a strip. I don't remember it because I don't really use it, but we can write it strip. Maybe it's useful for your projects. Convert the value text to uppercase. How we can convert it? Text.upper, text.upper. You can pause the video and do this test yourself. Convert the value of text to lowercase, text.lower. And the next question, replace the character N with H. Replace H, J. What I do wrong? Okay. Replace H, J. Now let's go and see how we can connect the strings. I tell you that we have some function in a string, but what some function do is connecting to a string. For example, let's we have H called home and L called alone, and when we write H plus L, it gives us home alone. It just make the things together, combine them, and it's really easy. Also, you can use a space if you want. And what is the correct syntax to merge them? It's the correct syntax. Let's go to next. These questions are easy. Print x1, welcome coders. We don't have any space. What is the correct to point? Join the party. It's the correct syntax. And now let's go to the next. We can also format the strings. We don't have anything common here. You can create F string. What is F strings? Some of you maybe need to know that the F string was introduced in Python 3.06 and is now the preferred way to formatting a string. To specify a string as F string, simply put an F in front of the string and add curly bracket placeholder for the value. What it do? It simply do the things that the sum function do, and you can use it. It's really easy. Just put the F and create your value here. But I don't really like it. We can create a placeholder, price, and many other things. Let's go to escape chapters. This is escape chapters. We have many chapters. What they do, for example, we have something we can't use in our code. For example, you can't write quote in your quotation. What I mean you can't write print hell. As you can see, it crash. You can't have it here if you want. How we do that? It's really easy. We just use this thing. Sorry, and as you can see, the thing we created is here. This page is not for memorize. It's once when you need to just learn them. Some things we can't use in writing a string, but with them we can use them. I prefer you to take a screenshot or search every time you need them. They are escape characters and you can use them. Python string method, we have many others. Python string exercise. We end our string section here. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. We are going to solve 2 or 3 exercises in the next lessons before going to booleans. But until then, have a good time.